Welcome to Grammar with Altaf. In this lesson, we are going to learn the past simple tense with full explanation and examples.
Today we will explain what past simple is, how to make sentences, how to use it in real life, and also practice positive, negative, and question forms.
So let's start. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or events that happened in the past and are now finished.
Exactly. If something started and ended in the past, we use the past simple. For example, I visited London last year. She watched a movie yesterday. They played football last week.
The structure is simple. Subject plus past form of verb. For example, I went, he saw, they studied. If the verb is regular, we add ed, like worked, played, studied. If the verb is irregular, we have to learn its past form like go, went, see, saw, eat, ate.
Let's look at some regular verbs first. Play, played. Work, worked. Clean, cleaned. Call, called. Study, studied.
Now some irregular verbs. Go, went, see, saw, come, came, eat, ate, drink, drank, write, wrote.
That's right. So in past simple, we must remember the second form of the verb. Now, let's practice with examples. I played football yesterday. She studied hard last night. They visited the park 2 days ago.
Examples with irregular verbs. I went to school yesterday. She ate an apple this morning. They came home late last night.
Now let's talk about time expressions. We often use words like yesterday, last night, last week, last year, 2 days ago, in 2010, in the past, when I was young.
For example, I watched a movie yesterday. She called me last night. They traveled to Karachi 2 months ago. We lived in Lahore in 2015.
Now let's learn how to make negative sentences in past simple. For negatives, we use did not or didn't with the base form of the verb. For example, I did not play football yesterday. She didn't go to school. They did not watch the movie.
Yes, remember that after did not, we always use the base form of the verb, not the past form. We say, she didn't go, not she didn't went.
Now let's see how to make questions. For questions, we bring did to the beginning. For example, did you play football yesterday? Did she study last night? Did they come home on time?
And for short answers, we can say, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't.
Let's practice a short dialogue. Did you watch the movie yesterday? Yes, I did. Did she go to the party? No, she didn't. Did they finish the homework? Yes, they did.
Now let's try more examples. Positive. He wrote a letter last week. Negative. He didn't write a letter last week. Question. Did he write a letter last week?
Another example. Positive. They drank tea in the morning. Negative. They didn't drink tea in the morning. Question. Did they drink tea in the morning?
Let's compare regular and irregular verbs in practice. Positive. I worked yesterday. Negative. I didn't work yesterday. Question. Did you work yesterday?
Irregular example. Positive. She ate pizza last night. Negative. She didn't eat pizza last night. Question. Did she eat pizza last night?
That's very clear. Now let's talk about when in past simple. We use it to connect two past actions. For example, I was happy when I passed the exam. She called me when she arrived. They clapped when the teacher entered.
We can also tell stories in past simple. For example, yesterday I woke up early, had breakfast, and went to work. At the office, I met my boss and finished some tasks. In the evening, I returned home and watched TV.
Yes, past simple is very useful for telling stories and describing experiences. For example, last summer we traveled to Murray. We stayed in a hotel, enjoyed the weather, and visited many places.
Now let's quickly check the rules again. Positive, subject plus past verb. Example, I played, she went. Negative, subject plus did not plus base verb. Example, I did not play, she didn't go. Question, did plus subject plus base verb. Example, did you play? Did she go?
Let's do another quick practice with yesterday. Positive, I watched TV yesterday. Negative, I didn't watch TV yesterday. Question, did you watch TV yesterday?
Practice with last year. Positive, we visited Islamabad last year. Negative, we didn't visit Islamabad last year. Question, did you visit Islamabad last year?
This way you can use past simple in your everyday conversations. Just remember the second form of the verb for positive sentences and use did not with the base verb for negatives and questions.
Let's give a few more daily life examples. I met my friend 2 days ago. She cleaned her room yesterday. They didn't play cricket last Sunday. Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Another set of examples. He bought a new phone last week. She didn't buy any clothes yesterday. Did they travel to Lahore in 2018? We watched a cricket match last night.
So we can see how easy and practical the past simple is. It helps us talk about past actions clearly and correctly.
Let's make a quick summary. The past simple is used for finished actions in the past. Regular verbs take ed. Irregular verbs have special past forms.
For negatives, use did not, and for questions, start with did. We also use time expressions like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, and in 2010.
So today we have learned how to form past simple sentences, how to use them in positive, negative, and question forms, and how to use time expressions.
That's right. We also practiced with many examples to show how this tense is used in real life and how you can use it in daily conversations.
That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing past simple in your speaking and writing.
Thank you for watching Grammar with Altaf. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.